Gada gadi gada oh.
Hello, my name is Karen Gabriela Jasmine S. in PM 22412004, class accounting 22A. Regulatory approach to accounting theory formulation. The regulatory approach in formulating accounting theory is one of the approaches aimed at developing accounting standards and principles taught rules set by certain bodies or authorities. This approach holds that to active consistency, transparency, and accountability in financial reporting, binding regulation or rules are necessary for companies and organizations. This regulation provides clear guidance of how financial transactions should be measured, recorded, and reported in financial statements. This approach emphasizes the role of regulation authorities in creating rules aimed at protecting public interest, especially investors and shareholders. 1. Background and objective of the regulatory approach. The regulatory approach was born in response to the need for greater transparency and accountability in financial reporting, especially in countries with developing capital markets. With the increasing complexities of economic activities and the growing number of investors needing reliable financial information, a regulatory approach is considered an effective solution to reduce practice of financial statement manipulation. The main objective of the regulatory approach is 1. Protecting public interest. Regulation aims to ensure the financial statement pressed by companies reflect the actual financial condition, so that investors and shareholders can make more informed decisions. B. Achieving consistency and standardization. With the presence of standardized rules, financial reports from various companies can be prepared in an unfair manner. This facilitates comparison between companies and industry and encourages true is in the present information. C. Educating uncertain a regulator approach reduces the freedom of companies in choosing their desired accounting method. 2. History and development of the regulatory approach is accounting. The regulatory approach began to develop rapidly in the 20th century, particularly after several major financial scandals that shocked the capital markets. Some significant events that drove the development of the regulatory approach in accounting include: A. The stock market crash in the United States had a significant impact on the world of accounting. The collapse of the stock market has resulted in many companies going bankrupt and the loss of public trust in these companies. In response, the United States government established market and established accounting principles that must be followed by public companies in preparing financial statements. B. Corporate financial statements. At the end of the 20th century and the beginning of the 21st century, several major accounting scandals such as Enron, WorldCom, and Tyco in the United States reflect practices of financial statement manipulation that harmed many parties. The scandal highlights the importance of strict regulation in financial reporting and has led to emergence of regulations such as the Surveillance Only Act. C. Development of international accounting standard. With economic globalization, the need for consistent accounting standard across various countries has been increasingly important. The International Accounting Standard was formed what later became the International Accounting Standard Board. The International Accounting Standard Board is responsible for developing international financial reporting standards that are adopted by many countries around the world. IFRS serves as a global standard that regulates how financial transactions are measured and reported. 3. Mechanism in the regulator approach. The regulator approach relies on the role of authorities or regulator bodies to establish and enforce bidding rules for all entities involved in the capital market. Here are the main mechanisms in the regulator approach. A. Accounting standard development. Regulator bodies such as the Financial Accounting Standard Board in the United States and the Financial Accounting Standard Board in Indonesia are responsible for the development of accounting standards. This process actually involves various parties, includes accountant, academic, and industry practitioners, and it conducted through a series of public consultations to ensure that the resulting standards are relevant and applicable. B. Supervision and enforcement. Regulator authorities such as the SEC in the United States or the Financial Service in Indonesia have the authority to ensure that public companies comply with established accounting standards. They can conduct audit or periodic inspection to ensure compliance and impose sanctions if violations are found. Evaluation and revision. Accounting standards are periodic accounting to ensure that relevance and style with economic change. If necessary, existing standard can be revised or updated to align with new economic conditions or business practices. This ensures that the standard remain relevant amidst technological advances and change in business environment. 4. Benefit of the regulatory approach is formulating accounting theory. The regulatory approach provides several benefits in formulating accounting theory, including A. Certainty and clarity. Accounting standards regulated by authorities provide clarity of companies in preparing financial statements. With regulation in place, companies have clear guidelines, thereby reducing the potential for different interpretation of the same financial transaction. B. Public trust. Strict accounting regulation and change public trust in the company financial statement. Investors and other stakeholders feel safer when the information they reveal organized according to the standards set by official authorities. C. Intercompany comparison. With uniform accounting standard, financial statements from various companies can be easily compared. This is very important for investor analysis and financial institutions that need to analyze the performance of various companies within one industry or across industry. Development of digital technology. Technology such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and big data are influencing the way companies record and report financial transactions. Traditional regulation may not be able to effectively accommodate this technological change, so adoption and information in accounting standard are necessary. That's all I can say. Thank you.